The number one mistake beginners make when drawing faces is that they make them too ugly.
Child, look at this. I guess it is time to show these kids how to have fun while drawing. You know what to do.
I know what to do. I'm gonna do just that. Drawing ugly as fuck faces. Press F in chat for kooleen. Kooleen, I'm sorry! Alright, ugly faces! The thing about ugly faces is that they are like very easy to draw. You do not have to worry about getting everything perfect, and that is very important in drawing or in any art whatsoever. Perfection hurts. Perfection hinders your art. Perfection makes your art really bad. Okay, you gotta have some imperfection in your art, and ugly faces help you to do that even better. And even more so than perfection, it helps you warm up. Okay, it helps you to let go of that skepticism or your non-confident self. It helps you build confidence. It helps you really loosen up your hand while you will be working on your main thing. Drawing ugly faces helps you manipulate shapes and 3D forms in ways that you wouldn't even have imagined. Alright, without stressing yourself into thinking that no, everything has to be perfect. Alright, no, that doesn't turn out good. No, okay, so the eye is like that. No, I have drawn it wrong. No, you do not even have to think about that. You can just, if it's wrong, then it's wrong. Alright, you can just let go of it and move on. Okay, because it's ugly, and that will help you to gain that line confidence, to gain that confidence that you want in your drawing, in your lines, alright, in your shapes, in your forms. Okay, now that is what we need. Alright, this is an all-in-one exercise, all-in-one warm-up exercise. You can use it as a warm-up, or you can use it as a really high-level exercise, any way you want. And after a while, your line confidence, your confidence in drawing would increase so much that you don't even have to worry about going wrong. Okay, if it's wrong, you can just erase it and draw it again. Okay, you will have that confidence. Okay, you won't even draw those scratchy lines that everyone draws at the beginning. All right, and the last thing is they are fun, they are weird, they are cheesy. All right, they make you laugh. So yeah, so just draw ugly faces. Don't draw juicy faces. I wanna see you draw ugly faces. And ugly faces also helps you to increase your memory drawing skills. Alright, you can literally draw them with or without reference, and I drew all of these without reference, alright, from my memory, and they hardly take like 5 to 10 minutes. I drew 2 of these in my free time. So she's Venali P and he's Kittu Kalia, and the rest of the 4 you can name them in the comments below. Give them like really weird names, really crazy names. I don't really care. Alright, so yeah. This was fun, man. This was fun, and I urge everyone to do that. Alright, this is like really god tier, really good exercise. There is no beating this exercise, period. Alright, go and draw ugly faces, and subscribe and press the bell icon, and join the Discord and Patreon, and share your ugly faces on my Discord. Until next time, bye.
You there, subscribe and press the bell icon, and post all of those ugly faces on my Discord, and support me on Patreon and draw ugly faces. If you do not draw them, I will come there and make you draw ugly faces. Goodbye.